What are you doing?
I know.
Good, I want to try it. Let me get me doing it. Kimmy's a bed. Oh my.
We should have a race. We'll race each other.
Well, actually do bunk beds with me. Okay.
Here, Mallory, film
this action.
Okay, can I do bunk beds with somebody afterwards? Okay. Ready? This would be Kimbo and Subers doing bunk beds and screaming. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. And no wait, 69. Never mind. I think I just put it at my crotch.
Okay, ready? Your turn.
Okay. Okay.
So she stands up.
I know.
You get. Hold on, let me get this action from up here.
I don't find it.
Me on the pool table.
Ooh, you just missed